was able to start her up. But now she feels like she's not on time. So I don't know what would be the problem with this. She was running fine before. The cam angle sensor and temperature. Look, she's starting to die right here. When you try to give her a little revs, she doesn't rev up fine. She's revving, skipping. Sounds like a lawnmower. I don't know what that would be, but if anybody can help me out, that'd be really much appreciated. She was sitting for almost 2 weeks now. I'd like to get her back on the road, so anybody can help me out, that'd be really much appreciated. Look, she's dialing. All right, thanks, dude.